Season 2 introduced two stabilizing agents used for producing bitumen stabilized materials, or BSM, bitumen emulsion, and foamed bitumen. These methods work by reducing the viscosity of bitumen, allowing it to mix with aggregates at ambient temperatures. This episode focuses on using bitumen emulsion to produce BSM. Bitumen emulsion is a suspension of bitumen droplets in water. The manufacturing process transforms soft grades of bitumen into tiny droplets roughly the size of 5 micrometers, and an emulsifying agent is added to create a stable emulsion and provide each droplet with the same charge. Emulsions used for stabilizing have a typical bitumen to water ratio of 60% bitumen and 40% water. The emulsion production process is complex, requiring expertise in chemistry and chemical engineering. The key properties of bitumen emulsion are the droplet charge compatibility and stability. As aggregates have a small inherent charge, it is important to ensure that the charged bitumen droplets in the emulsion are attracted to the aggregate particles and not rejected. The stability indicates the capacity of the bitumen to remain in suspension during the pumping, mixing, and compaction processes, and yet also break out of suspension after the material is fully compacted. The moisture content of the material being treated is a key factor for producing BSM using emulsion. Emulsion is a fluid, meaning that it has a wetting effect on the material. This can cause saturation when the moisture content of the material being treated is relatively high, making it impossible to compact the mix. For this reason, bitumen emulsion is not the preferred bitumen stabilizing agent in high rainfall regions. Conversely, adding bitumen emulsion to dry material can result in a flash break, as the emulsion's water component is absorbed too quickly by the dry hydrophilic fines. The ideal condition is when the moisture content of the material to be treated is at 50% of its optimum moisture content. Emulsion should only be used for stabilization where the weather is predictable, as rain falling on uncompacted treated material can wash the emulsion out, losing the bitumen that was just added. A minimum temperature of 10 degrees Celsius is necessary for mixing, and the higher the temperature, the better the mix. In conclusion, bitumen emulsion is an effective stabilizing agent when applied under specific conditions. Its performance depends on material properties, moisture content, and weather stability. Proper use balances its fluidity with the ability to bind aggregates effectively. In the next episode, we'll explore the use of foamed bitumen stabilization.